Today, I want to describe an example we came across recently of how execution plans aren't just about SQL performance, they are about bug fixes too. We've had problems with Apex and ORDS recently. They've happened at 2 client sites already, so we think it may be a problem that could occur anywhere. The issue is horribly difficult to isolate because it appears to be caused by an optimization bug. Now, back in release 18, Oracle introduced a bug fix, this one. Bug 20648883, view merging is disabled if a query has cursor. Now, they believe it's all versions prior to 18.1, which is when the fix was introduced. So here's what it is. It's a feature enhancement. Without this fix, view merging is disabled if a query has a cursor clause, which is a bit silly. And this bug fix will lift that constraint. So, consider a query like this. Select that I'm projecting ename from emp, dname, which I'm retrieving from a join to an inline subquery to dept, and then I'm projecting the result of a cursor, which is to select the grade from cell grade, and there's the join back to emp. Now, this is a pretty unlikely bit of code for most developers to write, but don't worry about that. I've just constructed a test case that includes projecting a cursor and a join to an inline view. Now, I'll run the query, and then we'll look at the execution plan. So, enable auto trace. And then the query itself. So the result set comes, there's employee clerk, the accounting department retrieved from dept, and then we see his grade, grade 4, which is retrieved through this cursor, and so on for the other rows. Now, look at the execution plan. There's no view operation. The subquery has been merged into the outer query because of that bug fix. If I disable the bug fix, just my session, like this, alt session set fix control equals the bug number off, so that disables the bug fix, and now run the query again, we get the same result set, of course, but a very different execution plan. See these view operations. The view is no longer being merged. It's being materialized. Now, view merging should be a good thing. Yet note that without the view merging, the cost has in fact gone up a bit. The cost of the query is now 14, whereas previously it was 13. There's an improvement you really want, isn't it? So, view merging should be a good thing. But what's the problem? It's a bit buggy in some circumstances. Now, if you hit the bugs, it's going to be pretty serious. For one of our clients, it meant they couldn't log on to Apex at all. They were just getting a 404 error. For the other client, any attempt to invoke a Restful Service failed, but only in some workspaces, not in all of them. So it's very difficult to pin down. There are a few hints in some articles on MOS, such as this one. Doc ID 3090544.1. ORDS could not choose dispatcher for request, note the friendly URL, Oracle Apex sign-in. Now, they say here this applies to ORDS 22.1 and later. We haven't seen it before going to ORDS 25. And they don't really give an example, give a detailed description of what's going on. But the change is clear. Alter session sets fix control that off, which is exactly what I did for my demonstration here. I've disabled that capability, and we no longer get that view merging. Presumably, the later releases of ORDS include some SQL that is prone to this problem. Now, are you going to have the problem? It depends on the circumstances. Optimization bugs are very difficult to pin down. You might run the statements today and it works, tomorrow and it fails. However, to be certain, you may want to consider disabling this buggy bug fix permanently, which you could do like this. Alter system set fix control 20648883 off. We aren't doing this everywhere yet, but we're certainly considering it. It has fixed showstopper problems for 2 of our clients. Hope this helps.